My dear friends, I have an announcement to make that I'm going to my native place, Assam, for some official work for 4 to 5 days. So there will not be any videos coming from my channel. There's a high chance that I may not be able to upload videos for the next couple of days for this week. If I get proper net connectivity, then obviously I'll try my best to upload videos. But yes, I cannot guarantee for this week. You can subscribe to the Hindi channel because my wife will be uploading videos. She'll be uploading shorts to keep you updated regarding the good levels of the market, where you can place the trades, regarding the trading opportunities on gold, euro, USD and others. So yes, you can subscribe to the Hindi channel if you understand Hindi, because sadly I will not be able to upload videos for this week. Feel free to subscribe the Hindi channel if you understand Hindi. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, the market is open and as discussed and as expected, the market has opened on a slower note. Market is behaving like a typical Monday market. We don't have much volatility. We can see that dollar index DXY is trying to take support around 102 level. So if the same volatility of the market remains, then there's a good chance that market may remain sideways for the next 2 or 3 days or before the CPI. Before any big event, we always get to see a choppy market, sideways market, confusing market, sleepy market. So there's a good chance that DXY may remain like this for the next couple of days. In case DXY shows a fall by the European session, then we have the next support around 101.60 to 101.50. And in case of a big fall, then we have 101.20. Ultimate support, strongest support is around 100.50, but I don't think so market will be heading towards this level. So these are the two support levels on the chart of DXY. And in case market shows upside, then the strongest resistance is around 103.00 to 103.25. This is the ultimate resistance on the chart of DXY. My dear friends, I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. If you are looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday. Okay, because overall the levels are still very much same. You can see that the levels have not changed at all because the volatility of the market is quite low right now. So the strongest support on the chart of gold is still around 1924 to 1925. In case of a big drop, we have the strongest buyers around this area. I have shown you the contracts data also. Hopefully you understand right now how important the data is. So during the day, my dear friends, especially during the Asian session and European session, when the volatility of the market is not very high, you can expect 1947 to act as the first resistance. If you see price rejection around the area, you can click on the sell button for 25 to 30 pips. And then we have the second resistance around 1950. 1950 is the second resistance. I do not want to show you how we have derived these levels because already I have shown in detail on Friday and Saturday. So please watch the video of Saturday if you're new to the channel. So these are the two resistances on the chart of gold right now. And on Saturday, I mentioned one thing, that if gold breaks 1955, then gold will be heading towards 1975-80. But today I saw that gold needs to cross 1955 to 1957. Actually, this is a resistance, 1955 to 657. So you can consider that day traders, you have three resistances on the chart of gold right now. 47 being the first one and the weak one. Then we have 1950. It's a good resistance for day traders. And then we have 1955 to 1957. These are the three resistances on the chart of DXY where you can expect to take a sell position. But I would like to repeat again that, my dear friends, if you're a swing trader, positional traders, if you like to sit on the chart, not on a chart, if you like to sit on a position for a couple of days, then obviously this is not the right time for you. Let the CPI pass, let the market take a direction, then only you can go for it. This is a day trader's chart right now because it is safer to trade from level to level only, because right now due to the absence of any direction in the market, where we don't know in which direction the market will move. After all, we are retail traders. We cannot predict the market. You cannot predict the top of the market. You cannot predict the bottom of the market. And that's a harsh reality. So in this situation where we don't have any particular trend, it's always try to it's always better to trade from level to level only. As a trader, it is very important to be flexible. As a trader, it is very important to know, okay, which trading style suits you according to the market situation. So right now, in my opinion, trading from level to level is the best thing you can do right now. So I'm in a 1 hour time frame right now. You can also do the same thing on 1 hour time frame, but for confirmation in the form of price rejection, confirmation in the form of candlestick patterns, you can simply switch to 50 minutes time frame as well. Means once you'll see the market has hit 1925 1924 level, you can simply go for a buy position while observing the 50 minutes time frame. 25 is a good level in this market situation. I think you can also place a buy limit as well. On the other hand, if market hits 1947, observe how the market is reacting on 50 minutes time frame. If you see the market is struggling, price is struggling around 47 48 area, you'll get the confirmation that sellers are still present and you can go for a sell. Confirmation is extremely important. Confirmation is the insurance of traders. After all, not all levels are not permanent in the market, and we cannot deny that. We need to protect our capital. It is our responsibility. So if you see that market is standing at resistance with a big green candle, obviously you don't need to take a sell position. Common sense. Okay, so that's why confirmation is extremely important. And I have one minor level on the chart of gold here. You can see that I have added 1935, okay, on the chart here. Okay, today I was drawing Fibonacci like this, and I saw that our previous Fibonacci work, okay, on around 1935 36 we have Fibo 50% retracement level, and more or less you can also see that market had previous resistance around this area. So if market drops during the day, there's a good chance that market may show price rejection, and you can look for some quick buy opportunity around this area. So volatility of the market will be a big factor. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts on US session. If market remains the same during the US session, then it will be a confirmation that market will remain sideways for the next couple of days. I don't think so market will be showing big moves during the European session also. Let's wait and watch. Okay, and